different one, because we're going to be looking at metaballs, and metaballs are something that is largely considered depreciated modeling technique, because now over in ZBrush we have things like Z-spheres. In Blender we have the skin modifier. We have all sorts of voxel sculpting tools in other apps that really take the place of what metaballs were for modeling anatomical shapes a long time ago. But they still do have some interesting uses. One of which is to kind of create really quick landscapes. They can be used in particle systems to create sort of fluids, and the way they work is you just add one in, and then once you have a metaball added into your scene, you just duplicate it, and you can see there that depending on the proximity, very simply, it just calculates a mesh that's based on the proximity of two spheres. And the way you use these is by using lots and lots and lots of them. So you just keep duplicating. And while these aren't very good for detailed work in a modern context, they can be useful for creating a landscape in the distance, or things where you need a highly organic shape but you don't necessarily want to take the time to model it properly. There's sort of a halfway house between just subdividing a plane and using proportional editing to shift it around a bit, and then going in with ant landscape or a displacement modifier and building a very precise displacement modeled landscape or something of that nature. Anyway, they're a useful little tool. You should know what they are. Whether you should use them too much, honestly, probably not, but they can be a quick cheat to get a lumpy looking thing if you need one quickly. Thanks for watching.